What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be wrapping the Subi. So here she is. My plan for today is to wrap the HUD, take these ugly stickers off, wrap the roof, and then hopefully wrap the trunk. And yeah, let's get started. So this is actually my first time ever wrapping a car, and I'm gonna be doing the hood alone, so I don't know how that's gonna go, but let's give it a shot. So one thing that's really cool about wrapping is that when you mess up, all you need is a heat gun. Heat it up and look. All right, guys, so take two. It came out perfect. All right, guys, so now we're wrapping the roof. And then my boy Noor came to help me. What are you doing, bro?
Where is the baby girls?
Where's baby girls?
Baby girls?
Yeah. Where is she?
There's the baby girls. I found her. It's baby girls.
I actually posed next to the car. This is gonna be my thumbnail. So right now we took off this molding and we're about to repaint them because these are supposed to be black, but someone painted them white and messed them all up. So that's what we're about to do. This, now let's go do the other side. Boy Noor just pulled up.
Sure.
And he's about to help me work on the car. So let's get started. So we got the fender flares in and we had to adjust a lot of things and cut a lot of pieces off them just to make them fit. All right, so we're test fitting them now. Now, what do we gotta do?
Cut it up.
We gotta shave them. We got the first one on, and this is what I meant by I didn't want to cut into my fenders and my side skirts because this piece had to be cut in from here, but we just ended up shaving it off from here, and I think it looks a lot cleaner this way.
That's why you don't paint it before you install it.
Now we gotta repaint these. Damn. It's all good though. All right guys, so we just installed the wide body kit. Shout out to my boy Noor. What's this? Are you serious?
I have to.
Are you guys serious?
She did that.
Man. So one thing I want to point out, if your girl doesn't come with you to help your fucking boy install a wide body kit, then that's not your girl.
Represent!
I just made a stop at AutoZone literally 5 minutes before they close, and I'm about to get the right bolts, and hopefully we can get this thing on today and actually have it look good. So stay tuned, stay tuned. All right guys, so we just made it back to the shop. I bought all the screws and stuff, so let's start. So right now we're gonna have to put the edge trim along on the sides of the wide body kit. So let's do that right now. The rear wide body kit is still coming in. The company that is shipping them out honestly sucks. It's been like 3 months, so I don't know what's going on with that. But yeah, this side's done, and then this side's done. So for the holes that I have in the bumper over here were for these, and these are honestly not, I don't know how I'm gonna put these on again. But I think I'm just gonna order some smaller ones and then put them on over there. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate the support and all the love that I've been getting on my videos. More builds are coming soon. I'm thinking of getting my next car in, I'd say in about another 2 months. I will be getting a new project. I'm still gonna be keeping the Subi. And then as for the 370Z, that car is gonna actually be heading over to the shop for the twin turbo kit. And yeah, once again, thank you all for tapping in. God bless every single one of you guys. I will be ending the video here. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Help your boy out. And you guys have a good day. Thank you so much for watching.